Good morning, David here with Weekly Wheat Look. Today is Friday 26th of October, pre-market open, and as usual we've got the daily bar chart of November 2012 wheat in front of us, and we can clearly see that over the last 2.5 months we've been in this consolidation pattern here. We've got a high of 208 and we came down to touch a low of 196. And we're watching for a breakout either up or down, and looks like we're going to test this top side today. We closed at 209.25, an all-time high again. If we see the market break above this 208 today, then obviously technically we've got a breakout, and we've got our two targets in play, already projected at 221 and 237. We've got a moving average cross here on the 10 and 30 on the upside at 202, and we've got our 200-day moving average 172. So if this breakout comes into force, then obviously what we're looking for is a continuation of the trend, and it should be an aggressive move. Just switching over to new crop, which is November 2013 chart. We've also seen a very high breakout from the recent high of 178 over the last 2 days with momentum, and I've just done the Elliott wave count chart on this to give us some idea of predictions. As you can see here, December last year we started at a low 138, had a rise, and we're calling that wave 1 to March of last year of £18 a tonne. Then saw 2 down here to 145. Wave 3 was £29 per tonne. We've seen this pullback congestion which has happened on the old and new crop, and we've held here at roughly about the £170 mark. We've then broken through consistently twice this £174 high, and we've now got a projection for wave 5 of a move of £58 a tonne, and gives us a target of 203 for new crop 2013. What else to say? We have, in the breakout of the last 2 days, seen a gap left behind here at 179, so that needs to be kept on the radar, because as usual on these charts we normally see these gaps fill, so we look to see some kind of pullback. Obviously with this upwards trend, it would be a really good buying opportunity to buy if it came back down to this 179 or test this breakout point here. As you can see, we had a gap here down in June of last year, and this subsequently got filled a month later. So there are sort of our route map for next year new crop now. We've seen the market give us the next direction. We've got targets in play. Obviously, until 174 is taken out, which is this recent high here at the top of wave 3, the trend is established back up again, and it looks like away we go again. But obviously needs to be kept a close eye on today to make sure on this old crop it does hold after breaking out this high here, because it could be a fake out, not a breakout. So obviously that needs to be kept an eye on. But thanks for watching, and I'll have an update this time next week.